It starts here, long before the factory, before the machines, before luxury, among hundreds of blackberries. This is not a story about a machine starting with metal. It begins with nature, and with a material most people's. The journey begins quietly. Nothing about it looks extraordinary yet, but every step brings this material.
Before anything reaches the factory, it has to leave the ranch. And this is where the journey changes direction. The material's journey begins with the animal's journey. From here, the ranch gives way to the road. Miles away, another world is waiting. The quiet ranch is disappearing behind us, and ahead is where raw materials enter a complete. And finally, the ranch disappears behind the walls of the factory. Here, everything is controlled. Every move. Inside the facility, the first priority is simple: inspection, care, and preparation. Before the next stage, everything must be clean. Even the smallest detail matters when the final product depends on precision. After the journey, there is no rush. Food, water, and a calm environment come first. Because the real manufacturing story begins here. This horn has already been naturally shed or responsibly sourced. Now the factory has a completely different challenge. Not every piece can become part of a luxury product. First, the factory has to find the pieces with the right shape, strength, and surface. Before the first cut, every dimension matters. The goal isn't simply to make the horn smaller. It has to be shaped with a final purpose already in mind. Before machines can shape the material, the surface has to be understood. Every ridge, every crack, and every natural variation tells the craftsman something. The rough material now enters its first serious transformation, clean enough to inspect, clean enough to shape, but nowhere near finished. Once the surface is clean, the real character of the material finally becomes visible. This line may look simple, but it determines what remains and what disappears. The machine is ready. But one thing still matters more than the machine: the person controlling it. And now the material finally changes. The first cut determines the shape of everything that follows. Just minutes ago, this was part of a rough natural curve. Now it has its first shape. But shaping it is only. The first cut gave it a shape, but the edges are still too rough. Now precision begins. The factory isn't simply cutting the horn. It is teaching the material a new shape. The shape is almost there. But luxury isn't created by shape alone. It is created by the surface.
This is where the difference becomes visible. Raw material has texture. Craftsmanship creates control.
And now, the material begins to look completely different. But this isn't the final shine. This is only the beginning. The machines bring speed. But the final judgment still belongs to human hands. Before this material can move forward, every imperfection has to be found. And sometimes, almost perfect isn't good enough. One small flaw can disappear in seconds, but only if the craftsman knows exactly how much material to remove. Now it doesn't look like raw material anymore. It looks like something designed. But it still isn't the final product. The most important transformation is still ahead. This is where two completely different materials meet. One begins as a natural curve. The horn is ready. But luxury needs another material to complete the structure. The leather has to pass its own test. Luxury doesn't begin with stitching. It begins with a shape. Every line on this table will eventually decide how the final product looks. This is where a flat sheet begins becoming a real component. One wrong cut, and the entire piece can be ruined. Cutting gives it the shape. Finishing gives it the quality.
horn is no longer just a raw material. Now it has a purpose, and that purpose has to fit perfectly. This is where precision becomes unforgiving. A few millimeters can decide whether two expensive materials fit or fail. And now, the two materials finally meet. They look completely different, but the fit has to look like they were made for each other. This is where separate pieces begin becoming one. Every stitch has to be clean. Every line has to stay straight. Machines create consistency. But the smallest details still belong to human hands. Until now, we've been watching separate pieces. Leather, horn, thread. But this is the moment. Now the factory stops making individual parts and starts building one complete object. This is the moment where precision matters most. The horn has already been shaped. The leather has already... A luxury product isn't held together by appearance. Every connection underneath has to survive the same test. This seam has to follow the shape of the horn. Too loose, too tight, and the entire piece can lose its shape. Flat leather can become almost anything, but the final shape has to be controlled. Luxury is often hidden in places most people never look. The edge, the seam, the connection. The horn has survived cutting, grinding, shaping, polishing, and now it receives its final touch. From a rough, natural material to this. But there is one final question. Does it actually look like luxury? Before it leaves the factory, it has to survive one final inspection. And this is where the journey finally becomes visible. What began as a rough, natural material has been the manufacturing is finished. But before luxury leave the factory, every visible detail gets one final touch. The final polish isn't meant to hide the material. It is meant to reveal it. The leather gets its final finish too. Not to make it perfect, but to make its natural character stand out. Sometimes the most expensive part of a product is the detail nobody notices. And if one stitch isn't right, it's not finished. This is the difference between finished and ready. Before packaging, the product has one final test. Does every angle look right? The final product deserves a final presentation. And even the packaging is designed to look like luxury. Before leaving the factory, every package gets one final inspection. Once inspected, they leave the production floor. Hundreds of finished packages, moving toward their next destination, packed in black, marked with the name, and finally, loaded for the road. To a finished luxury product. And finally, packed, protected, and ready to travel. A luxury product doesn't finish its journey on the workbench. It has to survive the journey beyond the factory.
From something natural to something measured, from something rough to something refined, from separate materials to one finished piece.
This is the difference, not between cheap and expensive, but between raw material and craftsmanship. After everything, this is what remains. Not the machines, not the noise, not the factory, just the result. He didn't create the material. He didn't create the animal. But he helped create what came next. Look closely. This is where the entire journey is hiding. Every mark, every stitch, every curve. From the ranch to the factory. From natural material to precision. From from separate pieces to one finished product.
And this is how a natural material becomes luxury. Not overnight, not by accident, but through every single stage.
And that's the journey. From the ranch to the factory, from natural material to craftsmanship, and finally, to luxury.
Look at the curve. This isn't a straight piece forced into shape. Every part was refined around the natural form. Thousands of tiny decisions can disappear into one simple line. But that line is what holds the design together. After all the machines stop, there is still one person who has to decide. Is it ready? Luxury isn't always about what shines. Sometimes, it is about what the light reveals. And while one product leaves, another story has already begun. And before all the machines, there was simply this: nature. Different worlds, one natural, one industrial, and somewhere between them, craftsmanship. The product may be finished, but the story never really stops.